Hi guys, this is Tiffany. I was just wanting to make a brief tutorial just showing you how to get your survey account registered. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to reach this screen is to go through your affiliate website. So whoever signed you up with Survey Junkie, you want to go through their site and it'll either say yes, let me in, or I'm interested. You want to click on that, and that's going to bring you here to the main page for Survey Junkie. Now here you want to click on Join Now, and it does give you the option, guys, in order to sign up with your Facebook account or your Gmail account. But for the purpose of being able to monitor your actual numbers, you want to go ahead and sign up with a valid email address. Okay. Okay. And then you want to click on I agree to the terms and sign up. And here you'll just want to answer the brief questions that they have. You want to answer them openly and honestly. Then you'll click on Start Now. Enter in your zip code. Confirm the country is United States. The date of birth. I try to make this as friendly as possible. And registration is very quick to do. As you can see, I am doing this from my cell phone. All right, click on Login and Start Earning. And just like that, guys, we do have our survey account registered. Now, as it states here, guys, you want to go ahead and complete your profile. As you see, the profile is going to give you an extra 50 points. So you'll want to go ahead and first, before you get that started, you'll also want to make sure that you confirm your email. Okay. But you'll go ahead and complete your survey. And then what you're looking for actually is an email confirming that you have in fact registered for Survey Junkie. And as you see there at the top, confirm your email. Guys, make sure that you click on the email and use the actual link that's in your email to confirm your email. Okay? And you're not completely done unless you've done this. And trust me, it's a limited time, so you want to get that taken care of as soon as possible. And that's it. You've earned an extra 25 points just for confirming your account. And then if you want to start completing surveys, then the first thing you'll want to do is complete the first survey that's here. And then as you see, these other ones will become available for you and unlocked as quickly as you're able to complete your profile. All right, guys, and that's it. Registering for Survey Junkie.